Hello everyone and welcome to another exciting session from Hindi Pathshala Online. In today's video, we'll learn for Dakshin Bharat Hindi Prachar Sabha exam Rashtrabhasha level paper 2. We'll do question number 10, Lokoktiyan, Kahavatein, which are called proverbs. One, Lakdi ke bal bandariya nache. Lakdi is wood. Lakdi is wood. Ke bal, strength. Bal is strength. Bandariya nache, monkey dances. So monkey dances on the strength of a stick. Okay, let's see the meanings now. Explanation. राम का कार्य बड़ा असंतोषजनक था. Karya, Ram is the name of a person. So Ram ka karya, Ram's work was very unsatisfactory. Was not good or unsatisfactory. Kal साहब ने उसको बुलाकर, kal here is yesterday, बुलाकर निकाल देने की धमकी दी. So kal is yesterday here. How we understood because of the past tense in the sentence. So yesterday the boss called him and threatened him that he will remove him. Okay. अब तो राम दिन रात काम में लगा रहता है. So अब तो now Ram is day and night busy in working. Okay. So कहा भी है. This is said that लकड़ी के बल बंदरिया नाचे. So monkey dances on the strength of this stick. Okay, that is the meaning explanation of this proverb, and we can also go one word by word meaning. Just have a look for the word by word meaning also. Andhera, darkness under the lamp. Chirag is lamp, andhera is darkness. Darkness under the lamp. So let's see the meaning. मोहन ने अध्यापक से कहा. मोहन said to the teacher, आप इतने बड़े विद्वान होकर, you are such an experienced scholar, ऐसी भूल होकर भी ऐसी भूल करते हैं. You make such a mistake. So Mohan is saying to the teacher, you are such a big scholar and you are making such a mistake. So the teacher said, अध्यापक ने कहा, आश्चर्य ही क्या है? Means, so the teacher said that surprising in it. क्या चिराग तले अंधेरा नहीं होता? Always you have darkness under the lamp. So the teacher replied, always you will have darkness under the lamp. So now, okay, word to word meaning also you can see. मरी गाय बामन के हाथ. So मरी गाय is dead cow. मरी गाय dead cow. Baman is a Brahmin. के हाथ, in the hands of the Brahmin. So dead cow in the hands of the Brahmin. Let's see the explanation. श्री राम ने अपना फटा कपड़ा सेवा समिति को दान देना चाहा. So Shri Ram wanted to give his torn clothes, फटा कपड़ा, torn clothes, to a health center. Donate it to a health center. दान देना चाहा to a health center. So when the minister, मंत्री जी ने कपड़े को देखा. So when मंत्री जी ने कपड़े को देखा, मंत्री जी ने कपड़े को देखा, then तो हंसकर कहा, then laughingly said, मरी गाय बामन के हाथ. So a dead cow in the hands of the Brahmin. So he is donating and he is giving a torn cloth. So the minister is saying, मरी गाय बामन के हाथ. Okay, the word to word meaning also you can see here, children. हीरे की परख जोहरी जाने. हीरा is diamond. की परख. So the value of diamond. Johari Jane means only the jeweler know. Okay, a jeweler knows the value of diamond. Now let's see the explanation. रमेश के गाने सुनकर गवैया सुरेश तो खुश हुआ. So when Ramesh sang, Ramesh song, the Suresh was also singer, so he was very happy. पर मूर्ख दिनेश, but Dinesh, foolish Dinesh, you can say Dinesh, he could not understand anything because क्योंकि हीरे की परख जोहरी ही जाने, because the value of diamond a jeweler can know. Okay, so this is beautifully explained again here in the sentences. So word to word meaning also you can see, children. Okay, last one. हाथी के दांत खाने के और दिखाने के और. So elephant's teeth different for eating and different to for showing. So elephant had different teeth for eating and for showing. Okay, let's see the example explanation here. अमीर नेता लोग हमें सादगी का उपदेश देते हैं. So rich people, rich leaders, they give us उपदेश means advice. They give us advice for simplicity. This is not strange. ये अजीब बात नहीं है. This is not strange because क्योंकि हाथी के दांत खाने के और दिखाने के और. Because elephant's teeth are different for eating and different for showing off. Okay, so you can see the word to word meaning also for this. With this, we come to the end of Proverbs Part 2 session also. If you have any doubts or queries, feel free to comment us. We'll be happy to answer all your queries. Every Thursday and Friday, we are posting new topics. You can also comment and tell us what is the new topic you want the videos on. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and share this channel as much as you can to all your friends and classmates so that they can also benefit from it. Thank you.